guys, welcome back to Be Here. So I hope everybody's having a blessed day today. So today I'm going to be coming to review a wig that a company sent to me. Yeah, so first off, I don't do wigs. This is like the first wig I have ever had, and this is a very beginner friendly wig, and it's very natural, something up my alley, something that I will actually wear. So the company that sent me this is Kalyss wigs, and it says 100% premium hair wig. I don't really know what that means, but the wig option that I chose, well, first let's see. They sent me a wig cap, and they also sent me some lashes and some tips on how to care for the wig. So and then the wig that I chose was this braided hat wig. This is the wig that I chose. This is something that I feel that I will actually wear, and I wanted to do a review on something that I will actually wear. So when they reached out, I told them I only focus on natural hair, and we kind of went back and forth till we came to the perfect wig. So happy they worked with me. So that was good customer service on their part. So I never wore a wig, but I know that first things first is you put on a wig cap, and so I'm gonna do that. Okay, all right, I'm just gonna do that, and then we're going to put on the wig. So this is a braided box braid wig, and it has a cap on it, and inside it looks like this. And in the back you can tighten the wig, which I know I'm gonna have to tighten because my head is small. So you can tighten the wig, and let me go ahead and do that. Okay, so I tighten the wig. I might have tightened it too tight. And let's see, let's put it on. Yeah, I did it too tight. All right, let's go back. Okay. All right. First off, the hat is like, I feel like the hat is too big. Like, I feel like it should be like this on my head. Let me see. Maybe I need to tighten it some more. Let's see. Alright. Let's go. Oh, now I think I did it too tight. Let's see. Okay, maybe it's my hair. Maybe I need to have it going back. Let's try it now. Let's see. Okay. Okay, that's better. Yeah, okay, that's what it was. Okay. The braids are actually really nice quality braids. I like the braids. Let me pull this hat up some. I feel like the hat, you have to like pull it up some because the way that it's made. All right, I'm gonna bend my caps on. So it's on, let's see. I actually think it's cute. I think it's cute for like if you like need something quick. If you having like a little down dress day and you kind of want to switch up the look, I think it's cute. I like it. I will wear this. Let's turn around and see what the back look like. Okay. Yeah. Okay, let me turn around and show you guys the back. And this is what the back looks like. Let me show y'all. The wig is kind of long. I would wear this. I would so wear this. I like it. I like it, y'all. I would so wear this wig. It's cute. Okay, so honestly, I'm gonna give it a 10 out of 10. Like, I would so wear this wig. I would throw this wig on. I like how fast you can switch it up. Now the hat, I probably would prefer a different hat, but if you play, like, I would prefer it to be like kind of tighter on the side, but I like it. I like this. This is really cute. I like the switch up. This is cute. I like this. This is so me because I'm quick to throw on the hat, but I can throw on the hat and look like I got my hair done at the same time. So I like it. This is cute. So anyways, I'm going to link the link down below where you can order this wig from. This is super cute. I'm also going to link their Instagram in the description box so you guys can go check them out. But like I said, I like this wig. I would totally wear this and throw it on. Let's see how it look if you. Ooh, it's even cuter. Like if you do like a little pony, like a low ponytail. This is cute. And some hoops. Yeah. Yeah, I like this. Good choice, good choice. So, yeah, I would definitely rock this wig, y'all. This got me wanting some more wigs that come like this, to where it's like easy to like switch up. This is cute. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this wig review. Like I said, I will link everything down in the description box. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace. Open up.